My name is MacMillan, and I'm the President and CEO of Deveron UAS. Deveron UAS is building North America's largest constellation of drones. We have a network of drones that are available for agriculture companies to collect data, and this data is helping farmers increase yields or reduce costs. So Deveron is already one of the largest commercial operators of drones in Canada. We flew over 500 flights last year. We're licensed by Transport Canada to legally fly drones in this country, and we're pretty excited about the future for that as we continue to build our model and working with the regulators to continue to scale the company. So our focus as a company is using a distribution model that already leverages the relationships that are placed in agriculture. So we don't knock on the doors of 15 or 20,000 farmers. We go directly to the largest farming companies in agriculture, and we sell our data product directly to them, and they act as the shelf that then sells down to the consumer. So we have volume deals where they'll commit to a certain number of acres, and then they're selling it to their customers, capturing another round of margin. And this is a relationship that going forward also becomes very sticky because we're sort of managing their data as we move forward. Deveron collects actionable data that farmers can use in season to actually change the yield of their crop or change the amount of inputs that they're putting down on their farm. So the revenue model for the company is based on a per acre charge. So every time our drone flies a farm, we charge per acre. In average, we're about $3 to $5 per acre. So that translates for us when the average user is using it 1 to 2 or 3 times per year, a really significant revenue opportunity. In North America, we have 415 million acres of farmland, so it's a really large total addressable market that we hope to capture. So one of the keys of Deveron's business model is also high gross margins. We typically have about 80% gross margins when we collect data. Farmers are currently using all sorts of data to manage their fields. We're seeing farms get larger. What's happened is that farmers have started to use satellite data, and satellite data gives a really large predictive level of what's happening at the farm, maybe at 10-meter resolution. With drones, we're able to drill into that 2 or 3 centimeter plant level detail. So the plan for 2017 as the growth story is we've already monetized revenue. Now that we've seen this, we're working with very large people in ag to continue to drive growth into new markets. We've already opened an office in Western Canada. We'll be looking at opportunities in the US. So consistent demand growth in our contracts with large enterprises, expansion into new markets, as well as looking at other opportunities for research and development and partnerships with leaders in agriculture that are focused on driving this data platform and data-driven decision in farming. Agritech is a really interesting investment theme that there aren't too many ways to play in Canada. A lot of money has come out of Silicon Valley, and a lot of money has been focused on private companies. And I think for the public investor, we're a really unique avenue to invest in drones, which is also a limited theme to play, as well as in agritech. So these are two big themes where we've seen a lot of private capital, and we're just building it from the ground up here in Canada. Deveron allows enterprises to focus on making decisions from data, not collecting it.